Tired of your car feeling boring or outdated? We've scoured Amazon to find 15 of the coolest car gadgets you've never seen before. Gadgets that make driving safer, easier, and way more fun. From smart LED lights and wireless backup cameras to electric car jacks, tire repair kits, and next-level audio upgrades. These are the tools that every driver wishes they had yesterday. Whether you're parked in tight spaces, off-roading at night, or just cruising in style, these gadgets transform your car into a high-tech, effortless ride. Stick around. By the end of this video, your car will never be the same again. Sun Visor Vanity Mirror fixes one of the most annoying car problems women deal with every day: terrible lighting. You think your makeup looks perfect until real daylight proves otherwise. This mirror clips onto your sun visor in seconds and instantly turns your car into a proper makeup station. With 60 bright LEDs, it evenly lights your face using white, warm, or mixed tones that closely match natural daylight. Tap to switch colors, hold to adjust brightness, and it even remembers your last setting for next time. It's fully rechargeable and lasts for hours, and when you need backup power, the 3-meter charging cable keeps you covered anywhere. No harsh shadows, no uneven lighting, no guesswork. Just clean, balanced illumination, so your makeup looks flawless wherever you are, parked, commuting, or fixing things on the go. Windshield Cleaner. Tool solves one of the most annoying car problems almost everyone hates: cleaning the inside of the windshield. You try to reach those deep corners and end up twisting your back into painful angles, still leaving streaks behind. This is the Astro AI Windshield Cleaner, and it makes the job effortless. The extendable handle and pivoting head are designed to reach those impossible spots right behind the dashboard with ease. Just spray, swipe, and you're done. No haze, no streaks, and definitely no awkward car yoga. It comes with 4 reusable microfiber pads that absorb dirt and grime like crazy, leaving the glass crystal clear every time. And it's not just for cars. It works just as well on mirrors, windows, TVs, or any glass surface at home. One use, and you'll wonder how you ever cleaned without it. Interior car LED lights instantly change how your car feels after dark. If you've ever wished your interior looked more alive at night, this acrylic ambient lighting kit delivers. It comes with 6 ultra-bright acrylic light strips, capable of displaying 16 million colors, flooding your cabin with a smooth, uniform glow. No cheap fiber optic look, no dark spots. Switch between static colors, flowing chase effects, or music sync modes that react to every beat you play. Everything is controlled through the app, letting you adjust brightness, speed, colors, or create your own DIY lighting scenes. And it's not just for cars. This kit fits trucks, SUVs, boats, or anything you want to upgrade. One install, and every night drive feels less ordinary and more like a cinematic experience. Swivel Gun Pro turns frustrating car detailing into a smooth, effortless experience. If you've ever fought with a pressure washer hose that twists, drags, and constantly gets in the way, this tool fixes that instantly. The 300-degree and 60-degree swivel inlet allows the hose to move freely with every motion, eliminating kinks and resistance. No pulling, no stopping to untangle, just smooth control. The quick connect notch lets you swap accessories in seconds, while the built-in nozzle holder keeps every tip right where you need it. It's lightweight, requires only 2 pounds of trigger force, and comes ready with M22 adapters to fit almost any pressure washer setup. The result is faster washes, zero hand fatigue, and a far more enjoyable detailing session. Once you try it, going back feels impossible. Car Door Protector takes the stress out of parking next to careless drivers. Scratches, dents, and dings are a constant worry, but these magnetic door guards handle it all. They attach in just 11 seconds with strong magnets, and the high-density foam absorbs impacts before they ever touch your paint. When you're done, just pull them off as quickly, fold them, and stick them together for compact, easy storage. No tools, no adhesives, no damage. Just reliable protection every time you park. Simple, removable, and incredibly effective. These guards let you park anywhere with confidence, keeping your doors dent-free no matter how reckless the neighbors are. Bluetooth Car. Adapt-a-Car audio instantly upgrades any ride from flat to modern. If your car feels outdated, this gadget changes everything in seconds. It clips neatly onto your vent at eye level and connects via Bluetooth 5.3 for stable, high-quality audio. Customize your sound with the adjustment knob to boost bass or treble, and enjoy DSP noise reduction for crystal clear calls, even in traffic. It also features QC plus PD fast charging ports for 2 devices, plus subtle lighting that helps at night without distraction. Installation is simple, controls are safer, and the audio is far better than stock. In no time, your car feels fully upgraded, modern, and more enjoyable every drive. Wireless backup camera makes reversing safer and effortless. No drilling, no wiring, no complicated installs. This camera snaps on in just 3 minutes and is ready to go. The magnetic base locks onto any metal surface, while the 1080p camera streams a crisp, clear feed straight to the 7-inch HD monitor. Its Solar Plus battery keeps it powered for months, and with night vision plus a long-range signal, it stays reliable even on highways. Perfect for hitching trailers, reversing RVs, or lining up a gooseneck, it turns tricky maneuvers into stress-free moves. Fast setup, portable, ultra clear. Finally, a backup camera that actually makes sense. Now, every reverse and every parking spot feels completely under control. Electric car. Jack takes the fear out of flat tires and useless manual jacks. Meet the CC 21-volt electric car jack, a cordless 5-ton powerhouse that lifts your car with just one button. No cables, no cranking, no stress. Simply place it under your vehicle, tap the remote, and in 90 seconds, your SUV is off the ground. The 4 amp-hour battery provides 6 to 8 full lifts per charge, charges quickly, and works on sedans, SUVs, and pickups alike. Lightweight, trunk-friendly, and built for real emergencies, it's the tool that turns a roadside disaster into a fast, 90-second fix. Driving just got safer. Never worry about being stuck on the side of the road again. It's perfect for weekend trips, long drives, or sudden flats. With this jack, roadside panic becomes a thing of the past. LED Tailgate Light Bar lets your Tacoma stand out while keeping you insanely safe on the road. Meet the OP7 Redline. Tailgate Light Bar, packed with features. Sequential amber turn signals, 840 bright LEDs, brake lights, reverse, and hazard functions. Every signal covered. Reverse with crisp white lights, flash first for maximum visibility, then stay steady. Built with durable aluminum and fully waterproof, it performs in rain, snow, or even sub-zero temps. Installation is simple, the sleek design adds serious style, and it instantly gives your truck insane road presence. Safety meets flair, and your Tacoma just got a major upgrade. Whether you're hitting the highway, tailgating, or off-roading, this light bar ensures you're seen and stylish at all times. It's the ultimate mix of safety, performance, and truck swagger. Car Tire Inflator makes sure a low tire never ruins your road trip. This powerhouse handles inflation before it becomes a real problem. The dual-cylinder motor pushes 50 liters per minute, inflating large pickup tires in seconds, not minutes. Simply set your desired PSI, hit start, and the auto-stop shuts it off perfectly when done. Its 12,000 mAh battery keeps it cordless and powerful, doubles as a power bank, and includes an emergency LED light. Preset modes make it faster for cars, bikes, and other inflatables. Fast, accurate, and built for big tires, this inflator keeps you moving without stress, so you can hit the road with confidence every time. Oil funnel turns messy oil changes into a clean, stress-free task. These flexible silicone funnels are designed to handle cars, trucks, or even heavy machinery without spills. They come in 2 sizes, Bendable and reusable, so you can shape them to fit any angle and pour oil with zero mess. No awkward positions, no drips, and no wasted time. Heat-resistant, chemical-proof, and super durable, these funnels are built to last for years. Cleanup is a breeze, and their flexibility makes every oil change faster and easier. Finally, a funnel that works the way you do. Efficient, fail-proof, and ready for anything. Car door edge guards protect your doors from the nightmare of parking lots. These guards stick on with 3M adhesive. No tools, no hassle. The soft rubber absorbs bumps, scrapes, and those annoying door-to-door hits that ruin your paint. Heat-resistant, anti-aging, and built to stay firmly in place, they provide instant, reliable protection. Each set comes with 4 guards, offering a universal fit for sedans, trucks, and SUVs alike. They keep your doors looking sharp, prevent dents before they happen, and make parking stress-free. No more worrying about tight spaces or careless neighbors. Durable, flexible, and almost invisible once installed, these guards are the ultimate small upgrade that saves big on repairs and maintains your car's value. NOVSIGHT LED Pods turn every off-road night adventure into a safe, thrilling experience. Don't fumble in the dark. These 4-inch X-Line LED pods light up the trail with a super bright beam that cuts through fog, rain, and mud. The yellow DRL covers add extra visibility while giving your truck, Jeep, ATV, or any ride an aggressive standout look. With panoramic illumination, waterproof construction, and easy plug-and-play installation, these pods are built to handle the toughest conditions. Rugged, reliable, and powerful, they keep you safe while elevating your vehicle's style. Every off-road trip now feels like a high-adrenaline, nighttime thrill ride. Tire Repair Kit keeps you rolling when a flat tire threatens to ruin your day. With this Grand Pit Stop tubeless repair kit, there's no need to call for help or remove the tire. Just grab a mushroom plug, insert it, and seal the puncture instantly. It works on cars, motorcycles, ATVs, and even trucks, making it perfect for any ride. Lightweight, compact, and portable, it's built for emergency repairs on long trips and fits easily in your bag, glove box, or bike kit.